The incredible impact of eating eggs daily, I was shocked when I learned about this efficient speed. 3 eggs every morning transformed my body faster than anything I tried before. 6 months ago, my doctor warned me about my cholesterol and suggested I avoid eggs completely. I felt weak, couldn't build muscle despite working out, and my hair started thinning noticeably. Then I read actual research and decided to try the opposite approach. The confusion frustrated me deeply. Everywhere I looked, conflicting advice about eggs. Some experts called them dangerous, others called them superfoods. My energy kept dropping, my workouts felt pointless, and nothing improved. Finally, I dug into real scientific studies instead of headlines. Here's what eggs actually do in your body. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios for human absorption. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms eggs provide the highest quality protein of any whole food. Your body uses egg protein with 97% efficiency, meaning almost nothing gets wasted. The speed shocked me most. Within 30 minutes of eating eggs, amino acids flood your bloodstream and start repairing muscle tissue immediately. Research from the Journal of Nutrition shows this rapid absorption triggers protein synthesis faster than any other food source. I noticed strength gains within 2 weeks that took months before. Choline content changed everything for my brain fog. 1 egg provides 147 milligrams of choline, a nutrient that builds acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter controlling memory and focus. The National Institutes of Health reports 90% of Americans don't get enough choline. My concentration improved dramatically within the first month. Vitamins levels matter more than most realize. Eggs from pasture-raised chickens contain significant vitamin 3, the exact form your body produces from sunlight. My doctor tested my levels after 3 months. They jumped from deficient to optimal range. This explained why my mood lifted and energy stabilized. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect your eyes in ways I never understood. These antioxidants concentrate in egg yolks and deposit directly into your retina, filtering harmful blue light. Ophthalmology research shows regular egg consumption reduces macular degeneration risk significantly. My eye strain from computer work decreased noticeably. The cholesterol myth almost kept me from trying this. Current research from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology proves dietary cholesterol barely affects blood cholesterol for most people. Your liver produces 75% of blood cholesterol regardless of egg intake. My cholesterol numbers actually improved after adding eggs daily. Here's what surprised my doctor though. My HDL cholesterol, the protective kind, increased substantially while triglycerides dropped. Eggs contain phospholipids that improve your cholesterol profile rather than harm it. The key is eating the whole egg, yolk included, where these beneficial compounds concentrate. Biotin in eggs transformed my thinning hair situation. This B vitamin supports keratin production, the protein forming hair and nails. 3 months of daily eggs and my hairdresser commented on new growth and thickness. Nails grew stronger too, no longer breaking constantly. Selenium content supports thyroid function critically. 2 eggs provide about 56% of daily selenium needs. This trace mineral helps produce thyroid hormones that regulate metabolism and energy. My constant fatigue lifted as my thyroid function normalized with adequate selenium intake. The satiety factor changed my eating patterns completely. Protein and healthy fats in eggs trigger hormones that signal fullness and satisfaction. Research in nutrition and metabolism shows egg breakfast reduced calorie intake throughout the day naturally. I stopped snacking constantly without trying. Timing matters for maximum benefits. Eating eggs within an hour of waking jumpstarts your metabolism and stabilizes blood sugar all day. I prep hard-boiled eggs weekly now, making mornings effortless even when rushed. Not everyone tolerates eggs identically. People with genuine egg allergies obviously cannot try this. Those with certain genetic conditions affecting cholesterol metabolism should consult their doctor first. Individual response varies based on overall health and genetics. Some people worry about food safety with daily egg consumption. Buying from reputable sources and storing eggs properly prevents issues. I keep eggs refrigerated and check expiration dates carefully. Always talk to your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. What worked remarkably for me might need modification for your specific situation.